Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to blend in MOCKUP in AI software. So basically I can have my product and blend in through AI in the website. So I'll show you how. So first open Mokker AI, AI that instant AI background replacement for all those MOCKUP. So you can just press it and you can just create with Mokker. And if you have signed in, they will have some photo credit. For initial beginner, they provide 40 photo credit, so you can generate 40 photo for free. And after that, you can just upload your product with MOCKUP. So basically I have uploaded my tea bag here, as you can see, a sample of tea bag, and you can just press in. After that, they will suggest you some inspiration for your photo shoot, so you can just choose the photo shoot that you want for your product mockup. So let me try this Chinese street. So after that, they will come to the platform where you can add prompt or even comment towards your mockup. So they initially set depth of field in your style, and you can add up to 4 stars to your photo. So I add 4 stars into my photo. Choose the most similar one and based on your preference. So I have just choose for 4, and you can just close it. After that, you can just generate your photo, or you want to add additional description, you can add down below here. So basically at the right side, you can see the mockup sample that the AI have generated out. And you can choose for your suitable background based on your product, because this is a sample, so I generate this relevant sample as an example. So if you are satisfied with the product, you can just download the PNG and save to your desktop. So basically that's all how to use AI to make mockup to be more realistic with a background. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.